Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rachna from Crafting Moments. I hope you all are doing so great. So this tutorial is in continuation with my previous tutorial, which was tutorial number 11. So in that tutorial I have shown you the complete process of making this heart gift box. So if you haven't checked that video yet, then please do check it out. I have also mentioned the link in my description box too. So in today's part I'm just going to show you how to make this inside accordion hearts. Just have a look. So this is we are going to learn today. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here you can see this accordion hearts. So for making this accordion hearts, we will again use the same template which we have used to make the lid of this box. So let me just take my template first. So here is the template which I have used for making the lid of the box. Now I am just resizing it and making a smaller heart inside it at a distance of half an inch from this bigger heart. So I'm just going to take my scale and pencil. So I'm just going to keep my scale here and just mark half an inch from this side, and at the other end as well mark half inch like this. Now only you need to join these 2 points which you have marked. So in the same way you just need to perform this on all other sides as well, or else what you can do, you can just take a compass and the distance is half inch of both these arms. So now if I'm working on this line, so at one end of this just make a arc like this, and at the other end as well mark a arc like this. Now we just need to make a tangent here, or in simple language if I say, I will just make a line touching those arcs. So here I will just take my scale like this and I will just make a line here. So in this way also you can just mark these lines. So same process you just need to perform on all the sides, and simply you just need to join all these lines. So in this way you will just get a heart inside heart. So you will get something like this after completing this process for all the sides. So you will get something like this. Now after getting this, what you need to do next, you just need to extend this part I am talking about. So you just need to extend this line till the bigger heart like this, and then you just need to cut this starting from here, 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 and then this inside heart you just need to cut this. So after cutting this, we will just get a template something like this. So this extra portion is for pasting purpose. So here you can see this is our template. Okay, now with the help of this we will just make our heart. So for that purpose I am just going to take a cardstock and just going to place it like this and just trace it. So after cutting this we will get a heart like this. So in my box I have used 6 hearts. So it's all up to you how many hearts you want, you can just cut it. So this is the single heart we have got by following this process, but we can make 2 hearts at a time as well. So for that purpose I have approximately taken the cardstock like this, 32 by 14 centimeter, and I have just folded it in half like this. Now this is the closed part and this is the open part. So now take our template and this part we just need to put at the open part like this, and this we just need to align with this folding part like this. So after aligning it with the folding part, so we just again need to trace it like this. So after tracing this, we will now just cut it and we will get something like this. Here you can see we have got two hearts. This was our folding part. So once I open it, so here you can see there are two hearts. Now we can just simply cut one end here. This extra portion we only need at the one end. Okay, so we will just cut it from the other end like this. Now this was our one heart. So what we need to do, we now need to just score this extra part here. So here I am just going to score here like this as well. Sorry. So just folding it like this, and now we just need to paste it here onto this extra part like this. So let me just take my glue and let me just show you after pasting it. So here I will just apply a glue on this extra tab and just paste this heart onto this like this. So in this way we have got our three hearts. So in the same way I will just make some other hearts as well, and let me just show you after completing this. I have already joined all the hearts here. So now the next process is to fold it in accordion manner or zigzag manner. So just fold this extra portion like this, now like this. So just need to fold this and burnish all the sides after folding this like this. So in the same way you just need to fold this. Okay, now the next process is to mat it with the pattern paper. So I have already cut down all the pattern papers with me. So I'm just going to mat it like this by putting these papers here. So let me just show you after completing this. See, I have matted all the hearts with the pattern papers like this. So now you can directly paste your pictures here, photographs here, or you can use photo mats like this. So I have cut it in the circular form. So you can just paste it like this. I have applied a double-sided foam tape here. So I'm just going to peel off its backing and just will paste it here. So on this photo mat you can just paste your pictures, or also you can write messages here. Okay, so in the same way I'm just going to paste all other as well, and let me just show you after completing this. Here you can see I have just applied the photo mats on all the hearts like this. Now the next process is to embellish it. So you can just embellish the way you want. You can use motifs, stickers, flowers, etc. Whatever you want you can just use. Here I am just using some motifs which I have already pre-cut. So you can just embellish it by placing here and there the way you like, something like this, or a butterfly here. So it's all up to you how you want your embellishments to be. So let me just show you after completing this. You can see I have added all the motifs here, and in addition to that I have also made a stitching pattern here just to add more beauty to this photo mats. So here, as we have decorated it from the one side only, if you want you can decorate it from the back side as well. Okay, so now the next process is to paste it into the box. So let me just arrange it in the zigzag manner like this. Now we need to apply glue over here, and let me first take my box. So this is our box, this is our lid. So we now need to paste this part, okay, front part. We will just apply a glue over here like this, and we now just place it inside the box like this. Just try to place it properly in the middle of the bigger heart like this. And then just keep all other hearts inside it in the zigzag manner like this, and just place it properly. We will apply glue here on the other end of this accordion hearts, and now take our lid and we will just place it inside this heart like this. Try to place it in the middle of the heart, okay. Just burnish it well. Let's close this, putting all the hearts in accordion manner. Now let's open this, so you can see here how beautifully the hearts are coming out. See, so just put all the hearts in accordion manner inside and close it. So here completes our tutorial part 2 of the heart pull out photo box. So I hope that you enjoyed my video, and if you find any difficulty in the process of this photo box, so you can just ask me in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates of my upcoming tutorials. So yeah, that's it for today guys. I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Till then, stay creative. Bye bye.